National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Johnson County in north-central Texas, Tarrant County in north-central Texas, west-central Dallas County in north-central Texas, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Everman, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is possible. This severe thunderstorm will be near Edgecliff Village, Edgecliff, Rendon, Kennedale, Fort Worth, Arlington, Forest Hill, and Everman around 5:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Tatego around 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Euless and Hurst around 6:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Grand Prairie and Bedford around 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Irving, Colleyville, Grapevine, and DFW Intel Airport around 6:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Binrock Lake, Lake Arlington, Westover Hills, Mountain Creek Lake, Rear Oaks, Dalworthington Gardens, Keegan, Lillian, Westlake, and Joe Pro Lake. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35W between mile markers 31 and 62. Interstate 20 between mile markers 429 and 458. Interstate 30 between mile markers 9 and 44. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.